the Rainforest Project. Janie, Lewis, and Brad dropped all of their supplies on the floor. As they all three slumped to the ground, they thought about the massive project their teacher had just assigned them. Not only did they have to draw and label all 4 levels of the rainforest and complete with multi-animal species in each section, but they also had to compose a letter to the state representative about protecting the rainforest. The assignment was to persuade their representative to fight for funds to be set aside so the countries where the Amazon rainforest is located don't start drilling for oil. I mean, I get learning about the rainforest and all, but why do we have to write that silly letter? It's not like it affects us if the rainforest gets smaller, whined Janie. All 3 kids noticed their teacher, Miss Schuler, just a minute too late. She had heard the whine. 50% of the world's animals and 20% of all of our oxygen. Think about it. Do you like breathing fresh air? Do you think those stunning animals deserve their home? Even if that doesn't convince you, think on this a minute. 25% of the medicine comes from plant leaves from the rainforest. That is a whole lot of people who feel better every day because of the rainforest. Miss Schuler looked out of breath after her lecture. Number 1, what do you think massive means? Number 2, why doesn't Janie want to write a letter? Number 3, what are 2 reasons that we need the rainforest? The Amazon River. The Amazon River is 4,000 miles long and runs through the continent of South America. Countries that the Amazon River runs through include Guyana, Ecuador, Venezuela, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, and Peru. During the wet season, the river basin can swell up to 24 miles wide. The Amazon River is the primary mode of transportation for goods. This seems odd to many people who rely on trains, trucks, and airplanes, but because of South American terrain, boats just make sense. There are over 3,000 different species of fish in the river. One type of fish in the Amazon River is the piranha. The word piranha means toothfish. These fish are omnivores. They are known for their very sharp teeth and ability to shred flesh. Not only do their teeth help in this, but they also have very strong jaw muscles that are attached closely to the tip of the jaw. This allows them to exert more force and with great speed. There are many tales of piranhas attacking humans, and while attacks do happen, they are not common. They also tend to occur during the dry season when the piranhas are feeling stressed or when they are near a lot of splashing that stresses them. Discuss your favorite thing you learned about the Amazon River. Problem solving. Classifying plane shapes. Steve drew the shapes below. Write the letter of each shape where it belongs in the Venn diagram. Number 2, Janice drew the shapes below. Write the letter of each shape where it belongs in the Venn diagram. Number 3, Beth drew the shapes below. Write the letter of each shape where it belongs in the Venn diagram. Words to know. Number 1, to bend light. Number 2, to take in light. Number 3, to bounce light off an object. Number 4, a dark area formed when an object blocks light. Number 5, energy we can use. Our choices: A, absorb, B, reflect, C, shadow, D, refract, E, light energy. Tell whether each statement is true or false. Rewrite the false statements to make them true. Number 6, the length and position of an outdoor object's shadow stays the same throughout the day. Number 7, water and air are 2 materials that refract light. Number 8, a blue object absorbs the color blue and refracts all other colors. Number 9, look at the picture. How does the tree's shadow form? What time of day do you think it is? Think and review questions. Number 1, how were the nomads and early farmers different? Number 2, what significant invention did the ancient Sumerians make? What similarity in transportation did the Sumerians and the Romans have? Why were roads important to the Roman Empire? How were boats used?